Good morning, Year 3. Let's continue our session about capacity. First, let's remember what is capacity. Capacity is the maximum amount of liquid a container can hold. To measure capacity, we have two units, the milliliter and the liter. The milliliter is used to measure small quantities of liquid. The liter is used to measure larger quantities of liquid. Yesterday we learned that the milliliter is a very small amount of liquid, just a drop or a few drops. Imagine that you have 1000 milliliters and we put them together. This will give us 1 liter. Or in other words, we can say that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now I want to know how to convert from one unit into the other unit. What does this mean? Convert means to change. So I want to change from the liters to the milliliters. So if I have a quantity or a volume in liters, I want to find this same volume but in milliliters. Let's see this first example. 1 liter, we said that 1 liter equals how many milliliters? Yes, 1000 milliliters. If I have 2 liters, I want to change them into milliliters. So 2 liters are 2 multiplied by 1000 is, yes, 2000 milliliters. It is 2 and I will put the 3 zeros of the thousand. It will be 2000 milliliters. If I have 3 liters, how many milliliters do I have? Yes, 3 liters equal 3000 milliliters. So I always multiply by 1000 to convert, to change from liter to milliliter. 3 liters, I want to change them into milliliters. So I have 3 liters. To change them into milliliters, I will multiply the 3 by 1000. How do I know the answer? I write the 3 as it is and I add to it the 3 zeros of the thousand. This is the number 3000. Can you read this number? Yes, 3000. So 3 liters are equal to 3000 milliliters. Again, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. Let's practice that. Here I want to convert from liters to milliliters. 5 liters are equal to how many milliliters? Yes, I will write 5 and beside it 3 zeros. How do you read this number? It is 5000. 5 and 3 zeros is 5000. So 5 liters are equal to 5000 milliliters. 28 liters are equal to how many milliliters? Yes, I will put the 28 as it is and I will add 3 zeros. How can I read this number? It's 28,000. So 28 liters are equal to 28,000 milliliters. If I want to change 9 liters into milliliters, yes, it will be 9,000 milliliters. If I have 22 liters, I want to convert it into milliliters. So I will multiply 22 by 1000. It will be 22. Added to it 3 zeros. Can you read this number? Yes, 22,000 milliliters. 27 liters are equal to how many milliliters? Yes, 27,000 milliliters. If I have 78 liters and I want to change it into milliliters, what will be my answer? 78 multiplied by 1000, which is 78,000 milliliters. Write the volume of water in milliliters. What is the volume of water in this bucket? This bucket has 5 liters and 250 milliliters of water. I want to change this number into milliliters. So what shall I do? The 5 liters will be changed to milliliters by multiplying by 1000 exactly. So 5 multiplied by 1000 will give me 5000 milliliters. The 250 are already milliliters, so I won't change anything. So I will add 250 as it is. It's already milliliters. 5000 plus 250 will give me 5250 milliliters. Convert the volumes to milliliters. I have two volumes that are in liters and milliliters, and I want to change them to milliliters only. Number A, 11 liters and 580 milliliters. My first step, I will change the 11 liters into milliliters. How can I do that? It's 11 multiplied by 1000. So it will be 11,000 exactly. I just put the 11 and beside it 3 zeros. So it is 11,000 milliliters. The 580 are already milliliters, so I won't change anything. So 11,000 plus 580 milliliters are equal to 11,580 milliliters. Number B, 2 liters and 5 milliliters. So I need to change the 2 liters into milliliters. How can I do that? 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000 milliliters. And the 5 is already in milliliters, so I won't change anything about it. 2000 plus 5 will give me, yes, 2005 milliliters. Write the volume of water in liters and milliliters. Now this is different than the first one. I have the volume 3125 milliliters and I want to change it into liters and milliliters. So it's the opposite of what we did in the previous examples. What shall I do here? First, I check the number in the thousands place. Remember the places: units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, this is the thousand. This number in the thousand is the liters, because I know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So always the number of liters I have is written in the thousands place. So here I have 3 liters, and the rest of the number is the milliliters amount. So the rest of the number 125 is the amount of milliliters I have. Write the volume of water in liters and milliliters. Again here I have the volume of water in this bucket, but the volume is in milliliters. I have 7,833 milliliters of water inside this bucket. I want to know this volume, but in liters and milliliters. My first step, I will find the thousands place. So I have here units, tens, hundreds, and this is the thousands place. The number in the thousands place is the amount of liters I have. So I have 7 liters. The rest of the number 833 is the amount of milliliters I have. So 7,833 milliliters are equal to 7 liters and 833 milliliters. Convert the volumes to liters and milliliters. Here I have the volume of liquid in milliliters. I want to change it into liters and milliliters. So my first step, I will find the thousands place. Here I have units, tens, hundreds, and this is the thousands place. So the number in the thousands place is the amount of liters I have. So I have here 15 liters. The rest of the number is the amount of milliliters I have. So I have here 440 milliliters. Number B, 3060 milliliters are equal to how many liters and how many milliliters? Come on, say with me. Units, tens, hundreds. Yes, this is the thousands place. The number in the thousands place is the amount of liters. And the rest of the number, what is this number? 060? Yes, 60. 60 is the amount of milliliters I have. Finally, I just want to tell you a note that we will correct the common mistakes you had in your quiz last Tuesday on Sunday. So in Sunday's classwork session, we will start with the common mistakes in the quiz, and then we will complete our session about the capacity. Thank you.